Welcome to the demo for end-to-end claim process automation with Peakflo's AI Voice Agents. Let's jump straight into one of our voice agents attending a first notice of loss inbound call.
Hi, this is Jack from Acme Insurance. How can I help you today?
Jack, I just had a huge collision on US Highway 101, so I need your help in finding a click right now.
I'm really sorry this happened. Let's get this sorted out together. Before we get started, is everyone safe right now?
Yeah, everyone's safe. Thank you so much for asking.
You've done the right thing by calling. I'll guide you through each step. For security, may I have your first and last name?
Yeah, it's Saurabh Chauhan.
Could you please also confirm your date of birth?
Yeah, it's 24th of August, 1998.
I have your policy with me. Let me quickly read the details to make sure we have the correct policy. Can I go ahead?
Yeah, please.
The policy that we have is for a Volkswagen Tiguan with VIN ending in 456. The address that we have on the file is 3879 Pinecrest Drive, Beechwood. Is that correct?
Yeah, that's correct.
Okay. Is your vehicle drivable?
No, it's not drivable.
Since the vehicle isn't drivable, would you like me to arrange a tow truck to transport it to a repair shop?
Yeah, that would be really helpful because my car is pretty damaged right now.
Sure. Where should we have the tow truck tow your vehicle? Do you already have a preferred repair shop in mind?
Actually, I'm new to this area and I don't have a preferred repair shop in mind. Can you help me out with this?
That's okay. I can recommend one nearby that's part of our preferred network. We can have your vehicle towed to ABS Motors, located at 39th Street, San Francisco, managed by Alan Cooper, and their phone number is 555-256-856.
Oh, that sounds fantastic.
Perfect. I'll note ABS Motors as your repair shop. Do you have photos of the damage or accident scene?
Yeah, did you mention the true tow truck? What's the ETA on that?
As you mentioned, you need a tow service. The ETA is around 23 minutes to your location. I'll also send you an email. Please upload the photos and documents there. If you don't have them handy, no problem. You can upload them later using that same link.
After completing the call, the policyholder gets an omni-channel notification with the portal link to upload the documents along with photos of damage and accident scene. Here, the policyholder decided to send the required directly through the email. In the intake assessment section, you'll find a transcript of the call on the right side, along with an option to play the recording. Our agent has compiled a well-structured summary of the facts of loss, additional claim details, and photos of the incident. The best part, our agent has also included comments for document validation and damage photo verification. Once the intake is accepted, the portal automatically moves to the next stage, which is coverage assessment. Here, as we can see, this incident falls within the coverage period, and it also has passed the AI-powered fraud check. So let's proceed to the next step, liability assessment. Since the policyholder was rear-ended in this accident, it's clear that the third party is at fault. That's also the determination our AI agent made during the fault distribution analysis. Let's go ahead and accept that. Now, during the call, it was decided that the policyholder's car will be taken to ABS Motors for repairs. At this point, we don't yet have details on the repair costs or the estimated timeline. To get that information, the AI agent will automatically place an outbound call to the repair shop manager to check on the status of the vehicle.
Am I speaking with Alan Cooper?
Yes, Alan Cooper this side.
Great, thank you. I wanted to inquire about a Volkswagen Tiguan with VIN ending in 3456, which was brought in on September 16th, 2025 to document the damage and initiate our repair workflow. This should take approximately 15 to 20 minutes. Do you have time to go through this now?
Yes, I have time.
Just to confirm everything we've gathered so far, the preliminary repair cost estimate is around $5,000, with an additional $500 for the new bumper. The estimated timeline for repairs is about 2 months, and the repair complexity is moderate. The current status is that the repairs are in progress. Does that sound accurate to you?
Yeah, that's correct.
After this outbound call, we will have the repair estimates along with the expected timeline for completion in the damage assessment section. Since this isn't a total loss, our AI agent recommends moving forward with subrogation. Let's go ahead and proceed with that. Here we can see that the agent is ready to send the demand packet. Once approved, it will be automatically sent to the third party. The policy details of the third party are typically retrieved from the FIR submitted during the intake process. And that wraps up our quick demo of end-to-end claims process automation powered by Peakflo's Voice AI Agents. If you have any questions or would like further clarification, feel free to reach out. We'd be happy to help.